The main question right now, even after the election of Donald Trump, DJT didn't go up. It went down instead. So we have to discuss in today's video, is this a manipulation? Are we going to have a reversal after all? Or the market maker want to buy discounted price for DJT? As everybody knows, everybody waiting for Black Friday to buy cheaper price for everything. Maybe DJT will give us an early discount or early Black Friday for DJT. And of course, we're going to have a good Christmas for this year. Many of you waiting for the right moment to jump in again for DJT, and some of you took profit, of course, with DJT, because we already discussed DJT exit around our Discord so many times, guys. Here we discussed many stocks, not even DJT, but even Spotify that we traded yesterday, which went to our profit taking around the 444. And of course, one of our elite members took their profit on Spotify yesterday and even today. It was great hunt, guys. However, for DJT, are we going to have a jump? Because as we said, we do many updates here. We did for DJT many times for buying the dip. And as you can see here, on many updates, not even just for DJT, but many other stock. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. Last time we did this update for the bottom, it was around the 6th of November. For the bottom, around the 25.50, and of course we reverse from it. However, we have a different scenario right now. What I'm talking about, we have a seller every time come in at the market open. Last time was here on Tuesday, today on Wednesday, and of course the only buyer that we had came in after the market opened was on Friday. But this week we have a seller on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. That's why the price now entered another channel of selling pressure. So we have to discuss in today's video, guys, where the price will head or where will the price will go before Friday or before the end of this week. And of course, where the best entry for DJT right now. Again, this not a financial advice. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Before we start our video, guys, hit the like, subscribe, and put the notification on, because we always go live around 9 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon for early access for mini trades. Today we have I think we got something going on in the pre-market. Yes, we got NVST, we got KXIN was one of the best trade because we spotted this stock once the price was here. We suggest to take profit around the $7 an hour early live streaming, as you can see here, early around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So if we go here back, guys, we see that DJT doing all right at the moment because yeah, it's still inside the channel and we don't have a huge selling pressure. Let me just go here. Yes, as you see, we have a selling pressure that market when the market opened. The good thing is we don't have haltation for DJT this time. We held because we got a buyer inside this channel. So we don't have a fast jump down toward the 25, but this time we got a slow selling pressure. So it's not bad because show us that there's a buyer for this dip and show us there's no strength for the short sellers to short this price really fast toward 25. We already had this reaction before. If you notice, once we got shorted after the election, the short seller shorted DJT very fast, and that's why we got halted. Then the few days we went really straightforward toward the 25, and 25 was our bottom. We reversed. Now even we broke our support around the $30. We don't have a very fast selling pressure like happened before. It means there is a buying pressure coming in from below. So now how are we going to confirm that the market maker and the buyers bought the dip for DJT? Of course, we need to have a new high and break first around the $30 by tomorrow, because this is the first resistance for DJT. Before we got the 3230, which is, for my opinion, the most important level to break for DJT to confirm that we entered the bullish trend and breaking this bearish trend. So let me just take this off and just put the confirmation for a reversal, which is around the 30 to 30 for the moment. Because if we broke this trend, guys, and we broke the 3230, we're gonna have a reversal from this bearish trend and go for the bullish one. However, for now, we're still trending inside this bearish channel, and we might continue to trend down until the 25 before a reversal. There's another scenario, which is reversing before even the 25. As long as we hold inside this channel, we might have a slow market and testing this channel. Once we break this channel from above and clearly around this orange line, yes, we're gonna have a good pump up for DJT, this time around the 35, and after that the 39.50, which many of you have price average around this level, the 40, because this is where a lot of traders got cut buying DJT after, of course, the election. The best entry, of course, was before the election, before this breakout, and at the election, it was the best exit because we hit the resistance around the 55. But now we can go back in time. The most important thing is to look ahead and see what the price will do. We have a probability of something happening. So the precision of our prediction depends on many factors. However, we make it really simple here, guys, by declaring a breakout to confirm that we're going to have an early pump up and, of course, a bullish momentum up. And if we broke the trend, is mean, yes, the short seller is still shorting DJT. So we can't do anything because everything happened in the market depends on the market maker and the short seller, because they have all the liquidity and the money in the market. So now, and the chart, and for us, is waiting game. We can do nothing about the price, guys. This is the most important thing to acknowledge and know. Many of you asking, Jesus, when we pump, when? If I know exactly when, everybody, I think the SEC and the short sellers will come to my place right now and put me in a prison. This is the most important thing to note. If I know exactly when, this is the trick here. If you know exactly when, the time, and of course the place, which is the stock, come on, this will be a dangerous place to be. And I don't want it, guys. Even if I know exactly when, trading will be not exciting to me anymore. It's like going to see the latest movie that you're waiting for. For me, like I'm waiting for Sherlock Holmes 3, which is my favorite, man. If you told me you know the end, you know the what's going on in the movie, I will know everything about the movie. No, I don't want to. I want to be excited. I want to be surprised about what's gonna happen next. If I know the movie, what's gonna happen at the end of the movie, nothing will be fun anymore. Come on, it's like life. Everything's unpredictable. That's what I like about trading. Sometimes I get fooled by some stocks. I will be excited. Even I lose money, I will be excited. This is what's the fun and the excitement lies. If you know that what's gonna happen exactly 100%, there's no fun anymore. Some people want easy life. For me, I want harder life because it's more fun. More problem for me is more fun. There is no problem in my life, because if there's no problem, there's no tension. If there is no something to solve, life will be really boring, guys. Just think about it. So for DJT, the same, we can predict 100%, but we have a probability of something happen. So now we can control what's going to happen for price action for DJT, but at least we know with a bit of precision that the price will break around the 32.30. Then we're going to be ready for another move. For now, we can do nothing because we are between a support and resistance. We're going to discuss in deeper action and deeper analysis for DJT for tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you don't know, now you know. So join us by tomorrow trading session, and of course, trade with us live. In the meantime, stay tuned for our hunt for tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.